today we are getting to see baby girl. Hello.
Hi.
Not us posting 3 weeks in a row.
What? Who are we?
Hey, we promise to try to be more consistent, so that's what we're doing. We are
right.
back from our vacation.
Yes, we are.
We had a blast. Hopefully y'all saw those 2 videos.
Yes.
If you haven't, please go back and check those out because we had a blast. It was beautiful, and I think we got some pretty good footage while we were there too. But today we are getting to see baby girl.
Yeah, so Kemp has an appointment. He's in the back here. He has a pediatrician appointment in about an hour, and I was able to get a quick appointment for us to see baby girl before his appointment. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be spending the day in Tuscaloosa, and I think that Dylan may let me go shopping afterwards. I don't know.
That is a big May. Like that May has a capital M on it.
Listen, it is August 27th, and I don't have any fall decor.
Well, we've never really had a place that we could comfortably decorate.
Right.
So now Shelby's like really excited. Well, I just, I've never had to pay for all that decoration. So I guess I'll let her buy a few things today. But first, let's go see baby girl.
Let's go do it.
Yo, that's her foot against her forehead.
I can feel her moving in there right now.
Say sissy? Yeah, is she getting all the attention?
We gotta see.
So when we went to the anatomy scan, they told us it was a girl.
They did.
And it still is a girl.
Yeah. They said she is for sure a girl, and it's not gonna change.
But that was really cool.
Yes.
We got to see the 4D.
Got to see 4D of her, and I knew it. I said, her feet have to be on this side of my belly because that's where she's been kicking. And sure enough, her feet were over there.
And so was
up
her head.
against her head. Girl is flexible, so.
Yeah, we may have a little gymnast on our hands.
May have a little Simone Biles in there, but she looks healthy. Everything looked great. She's looking a lot like Mama.
No, Dada. She looks like Dada without the mustache.
And her little leg and foot is so cute. Anyway, we went to Pregnancy Peak HD in Northport, Alabama. So if you are in the area and you're needing a place to go to get an ultrasound or just like want to look at your baby, definitely check her out. They are the sweetest people there, and
they do such a great job. They're thorough, and they say they get business from all over the state, from Mississippi. Like a lot of people drive all the way to her to get it done because she does such a good job. And we want to thank her very much for letting us come get pictures done of our girl. Yeah,
we're super excited, and it just makes me feel so much better because she was not very active there for like a couple weeks, but we were also traveling. We had a lot going on. I felt her every now and then, but it wasn't like super active.
And she usually doesn't get real active until Shelby just stops what she's doing and lays there for a little while. And Shelby wasn't able to do that while we were on vacation. So now the last 2 or 3 days, she has really started moving, and I got to feel her this morning.
Yes, for the very
first time.
Kemp got to see her. I don't think he understands. No. Whenever we say, "Where's Sissy?" he just points to my belly.
He thinks Sissy is another name for belly, I think.
Yeah. So when we were like, "That's Sissy" on the screen, he was just like, eh. Like,
like, that's not a belly. What are you talking about? Hey, Kemp, can you say Sissy? He's got a picture of Sissy. Yeah, she gave him a picture to hold. So we got a bunch of pictures of Sissy. Now it's time to go to his doctor's appointment.
Yes. We're going to focus on Kemp for a little while. So we're going to go to his appointment and check on him. I think it's just a checkup for his pediatrician. So that's what we're going to go do. A little early for our appointment today. So we're eating a Happy Meal in the back seat.
Yeah, Kemp slept through lunch.
Yeah. The boy loves a hamburger Happy Meal from McDonald's. His favorite part's probably the apples and then the hamburger. And, yeah. He doesn't really care for the fries, which is not bad for me because then I just get to eat the fries.
Hey, chill out now.
Anyway.
Fun fact, his first word other than mama and dada was probably apple, right?
Yeah. He's been saying apple for a long time. The boy's a big apple fan.
Big fruit guy, huh?
Big fruit guy.
Well, that went good, I'd say.
He is apparently advanced and acts more like an 18-month-old.
I'm proud. I knew he has actually been saying like 1 or 2 sentences.
Yeah.
Like no joke.
I want to play with the ball.
Yeah, or do you want to play with the ball, or I want to play with Pop, or I want to play outside. It's usually
play. Yeah.
But while he was in there, he said like book for the first time, so she thought he could say book usually, but apparently not until today. So he chose the right time to do that.
We knew he was advanced, right?
Yeah, we're not biased at all.
Not at all.
No, but the appointment went good, so we won't have to go back until
November 27th, which is like the day before Thanksgiving, and I will be
about ready to pop.
Ready to pop.
But
yeah.
There's a chance that baby girl could be here by then.
She's here, yeah. So we'll see. We may be coming for his appointment and hers. I don't know. Like, we'll see. We are going to go meet my sister. She's at Target right now. So we're going to go meet her at Target. We're going to get him a little treat because he did have to get 2 shots. We're going to go do that, get him a surprise, and see what Target wants to give us today.
Nothing. Target's not going to give us anything today.
Fall decor.
All right, let's go get a treat.
There she is.
Hello.
Hey. Okay, I look a little crazy because I have a bit of a cold. I woke up with one yesterday, and then this morning it got worse. But so like I've rubbed all the makeup off my nose. But anyway, Dylan's pumping gas right now. We just went and got Chick-fil-a. We weren't planning on eating in town because we ate Jack's on the way here. And then we were just gonna go home and eat. It's like 5 o'clock right now. So we were like, we can wait an hour. We get home, we eat about 6:30. Well, we're passing Chick-fil-a. And I saw on the sign, it said banana pudding milkshake. If you know anything about Dylan, banana pudding is his favorite dessert. So I said, I don't want to tell you this, Dylan. I said, but they have a banana pudding dessert milkshake at Chick-fil-A. And he was like, turn around. And this boy doesn't like Chick-fil-A. Like, we don't eat at Chick-fil-A very often. I only eat it when I'm really by myself. But he was like, turn around, we can eat supper there. And I was like, okay, like, I'm not gonna say no. You don't have to ask me twice. So we just went and got some Chick-fil-A. Kemp's in the back. He's got him a little kids meal that we're just gonna be feeding him back there. He is very excited. He's so strange. Okay, Dill, tell us what you got.
I want to start off by saying I have started a diet this week.
But the banana pudding milkshake got you, and you were like, okay.
And I've been wanting to try this too.
This meal.
So. And like, I didn't look it up. This is just from what I remember, so I might be missing something.
Okay.
Or I might have everything. I don't know. I'm sure someone will tell me. So first, I think you're supposed to go fries. Okay. You have to ask for the salad bowl empty. Twice. You have to ask twice. Okay, and then nugs. I'm on a diet, so I got the 8 count.
He got the 8 count instead of the 12 count.
They gave me 8. So,
exactly.
Yeah, so they're a little stingy with their nugs. And then,
oh goodness,
mac and cheese. They knew what was going on.
Oh, who?
They gave me a fork.
Oh.
Oh, who are you looking for?
You're talking about this car that's sitting right here.
They knew what was happening. So, mac and cheese in here. I don't know if I'll put all of this in here or not.
Yeah, you can leave a little bit out for me.
I figured you'd want some. God, look at that.
No, the cheese.
May not leave a lot out for you. I'll leave Shelby a couple bites there.
So far we've got fries,
fries,
nuggets,
chicken, and mac and cheese.
Okay.
Now we're gonna go with zesty buffalo.
Okay.
One thing about me, I love buffalo sauce. I know it's not mustard, but you know.
I was waiting on
you
it.
gotta understand, I like more sauces. Mustard's just the most versatile one. I guess what I'm saying is like mustard will probably go good on this too. Here goes the buffalo.
Okay.
We got that drizzled on there.
Are you just gonna do one?
I think. No? Am I supposed to do more than one?
He said it.
He spoke it. Now let's go with a ranch. How is a ranch?
I don't know, I've never had it. I stick to ketchup when I'm at Chick-fil-A.
Alright, there's a ranch. There's one buffalo and one ranch. So we're gonna shake this up.
And then see if we need to add any
See if
more.
we need to add any more.
You gotta do so much work to eat your meal.
Would you stop? Would you just like...
You could just get a chicken sandwich like normal people.
This is my first time, so it'll probably be quicker next time.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll...
Don't mind us. Oh!
Look at that!
I think one of each is probably gonna be good.
Alright, so I think what I want to start off with is getting like a fry, chicken, and a little mac and cheese. We'll get this right here.
Okay.
Alright, and then we'll try it.
Does it hit?
It's good.
Is it really? Where'd you see this recipe?
It's like TikTok or somewhere.
I kind of want to bite, but I don't want to take a nug or anything, so.
Well, I guess you should have ordered it. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, you gotta try
The whole reason why we stopped.
Yeah.
Banana pudding shake.
Like I said, banana pudding is Dylan's favorite dessert, so. Moment of truth. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah, it busts pretty hard. It doesn't taste like a homemade banana pudding.
Really?
Yeah, there's a difference. Trust me. But it's still good.
Out of 10, what would you rate it?
The milkshake?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a 8.2.
Oh, that's pretty high.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good
Yeah.
milkshake. It's one of my favorites I've ever had from there.
Yeah. And the meal, out of 10?
The meal? Give it a 8.7.
Wow. That is high for Chick-fil-A for you.
Well, we made it back. Shelby's eating her supper now. She had a headache on the way home and wasn't able to eat while I was driving. But how you feeling now?
I'm feeling okay. Head's still hurting, but I'm gonna eat and put him to bed, and then hopefully I can get straight to bed.
Well, at least today was a very good day.
It was.
We got to see baby girl. Kemp had a good checkup. Everything's going good with him. He's smarter than your average 15-month-old. So.
We got to see Maggie and then got some fall decor. I'll have to show y'all. Oh, with Chick-fil-A. We got Chick-fil-A. That always makes for a good day.
Yeah, Shelby doesn't get that a lot, so.
No. So we're gonna savor every bit of this Chick-fil-A I'm about to eat.
So now Shelby and Kemp is eating their food. I'm already done, so I guess I'll get his bath ready or something. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being here. We love y'all. Just please subscribe and like this video. Is that all the things you say? I can't remember.
I think that's it.
Did I catch it all?
Yep.
I think there's also no. There's a little bell or something
Oh.
that they get notified.
Ring the bell.
You know.
Yep. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.